So guys, this vocational school in Canada is currently accepting international applicants. Okay, you have to apply right now as you are watching this video. As I always talk, vocational school is the best pathway of which you can use to migrate to abroad right now. Okay, because people are not too much focusing on vocational school. People are focusing on healthcare jobs, tier 2 visa, and all of that. But you have to be different. That's the only way you can cash out these days. Okay, follow my channel, and I'm showing people on how they can migrate to any country of their choice through vocational study easily, because it's the easiest pathway right now of which you can use to migrate to any country of your choice. Right now I'm going to show you this vocational school in Canada is currently accepting international applicants. Okay, stay tuned from start to finish of this video. I will be showing you the step-by-step guide on how you can apply, and also I'll be showing you all the programs that they are offering. Okay, without further more delay, let's get started. As you can see, the name of this school is called Durham College. Okay, it's currently in Canada. First of all, let's look at the programs and their courses that they are offering. Okay, going to look for it. This is the program that they are offering. As you can see, they have different programs. Okay, let's go over to international. If you are watching from abroad, let's go for international, because this video is mainly for international applicants. Let's go to international. You see, you come over to international programs. Okay, come down. Okay, as you can see, this is international programs that they are offering. International programs for international students. Okay, you go down. Please do well to watch this video from start to finish, because some people sometimes they just look at the thumbnail and they start sending me message, it's not for international students, it's no opening. As you can see, if you watch to this stage, you can already see now this is international program. Okay, come down. Let's go down. This is a program. As you can see, they have accounting business. This one is first semester. It's in Ontario. They have a accounting business again. It's first semester. This one is they have addition and mental health. This one is graduate certificate. Let's go down more. They have advanced law enforcement and investigation graduate certificate. They have advertising and digital media. This one is currently in Oshawa. Okay, Ottawa is different from Oshawa. Okay, and they also have which other one again? They have advertising and promotion. They have animation and digital production, and also they have cultural technology. They have artificial intelligence, that is AI. Wow, this is crazy, guys. Artificial intelligence. Would love to study this course. Next semester. What? It's a bachelor degree. This is the best one, like right now. You understand? This is the best, like AI tool. You know how to use it. Okay, it's a developed in response to impact of artificial intelligence, AI, on business progress globally. The honors bachelor of artificial intelligence program will teach you skills, tools and techniques to design AI solution. Guys, say Chat Live with International Education Office. If you want to chat live, you can also click here and you tap okay. Let's see, and click here and talk to them. Okay, as well, they are online to reply to any of your messages. Don't worry, I'll be leaving the link of this website in the description box. Please do well to check it out. Okay, autism and behavioral sciences certificate graduate. This one is just 2 semester. This one is very short and it's nice. They have automotive technician. Okay, for those my guys looking for automotive power technician, blah blah blah. This one is here right now, guys. Automotive technician is first semester, so apply now. Stop telling me you don't see program to apply. Apply now. You can see this one is biochemical engineering technology. Apply now. As you are watching this video, just apply. You have biotechnology. Biotechnology is advanced. Okay, just try your best, apply for it. They have behavioral science technician. Okay, they have broadcasting, that is radio and contemporary media. They have carpentry as well. This one include building construction and technician. They have carpentry and renovation technician. They also have chemical engineering technology, and also they have chemical laboratory technician. So guys, they have different courses. Do well to apply for it. Stop saying they have civil engineering as well. There was a guy that said I should make a video on forget the topic, all the topic, everything is here. I believe you guys know what I'm looking for. Cedar truck or healthcare, whatever. Let's go. They have dental assistant as well. They have cyber security, as you can see. Cyber security is just 2 semesters, guys. Wow, this is crazy. Go down. Let's go down, look for more. They have different courses. Let's just look for one, then we check the requirements. Okay, anyone that you want to apply to. Let's go for they have different courses, guys. What are you waiting for? I will advise you, as you are watching this video, please do well to apply for it. They have horticulture technician and also heating, ventilation and air conditioning techniques. It's two semester as well. You know you cannot go for 4 semester, 8 semesters, 9 semester. Go for 2 semester. Okay, they have international business management. They also have journalism, mass media. Okay, let me see the let me just see what is the requirement. Let's just see. Let's go down. It's a credential, Ontario College, diploma or shower. The intake is next year, okay, 2024, but it start now. Okay. This is the program overview. Let's check the admission requirement. Okay, you see, an education you provide training in critical thinking. Guys, let me tell you something you need to know. Vocational school is the best school to acquire the certificate of journalism. Okay, let's come here and see if it's available for international students. Okay, let's see. Come here to international student. Let's see if it's available first. You see, it's open to international student as well. You can see it's open to international student. It's open as well. Let's go and see how we can add. What are the admission requirements first? Okay, this is the program overview. Okay, want me to read? I can easily just read it out. You say an education in journalism provides excellent training in critical thinking, writing and presenting ideas, while preparing students for one of the most interesting careers imaginable. Emerge with transferable knowledge and skills, experience, journalism, blah 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 blah. Let's see the admission requirement first. Okay, admission requirement: Ontario Secondary School, that is SSCE. That's what they are looking for. Okay, recommended excellent reading and oral communication, I believe, but you see they did not put IELTS here. I believe for a better result, I will advise you to have your IELTS before you apply for it. What are the career options? Let's see. These are where you can be able to work. As you can see, you can work in a social media manager, as a social media manager. You can work as a reporter. You can work as a producer. You can work as a broadcaster. You can work as a photographer. You can work as a journalism, online magazine and newspaper. You can work as a freelancer. You can work as an editor. You can work as editorial designer. You can work as a content creator, and also you can work as a communication specialist and a broadcast journalists like radio and television, okay, where you could, okay, what you could be any of these, okay, any of them you can be, and you can work in any of these places: communication department, freelancing, magazines, news organization, online media companies, marketing and publishing companies, public relation firm, radio station. You can also work in TV stations, okay. If you have interest, do well to apply, okay. Do well to apply if you have interest as well. Let's see the cost of it, okay. It's not that expensive. Let's see, for international students, let's see, guys, it's not that expensive. As you can see, it's affordable, okay. It's affordable, guys. As you can see, it's affordable. The good part is you can work as you are studying, okay. It's 4 semester courses. You can work as you are studying, okay. I advise you, please do well to apply for it, okay. Let's go to another one. I'm looking for nursing assistant or truck driving. Those are the two I'm looking for. They also have massage therapists, okay. They also have mechanical engineering technology. Wow. They have mechanical equipment. Let's go down. We're going to see healthcare aid. Let's see. Personal support worker is also here. Let's see. They also have photography. Personal support worker, yours, this one is 2 semester. I love this one. I love this personal support worker, guys. Let's see. Let's come to, let me just check the admission requirement first. The same thing. Recommended grade 12 in biology or biology upgrade. Keyword: keyboarding, basic computer skills is highly recommended. Yeah, of course, because we need it, okay. Let's see, this is it. IELTS is not required, as you can also see here, but I believe you have to put your IELTS as well. Let's see the cost. Let's see for international student, okay. Almost all the courses, they are the same price, okay. All the courses are the same price, okay. All the courses is the same price, okay.
PSWs have so many different roles out there. You can work with elderly, you can work with kids, but I think you have to have patience and empathy, for sure, the two major things.
I had to research, things that are going to be viable in the future, and personal support worker is one of them. I've always wanted to work with people, especially the elderly or the disabled. It's something that I always enjoyed, was taking care of people.
I worked at a group home with children right after graduating. There's long-term care, of course. Everybody works in long-term care, I think, at least once in their case to be a career. I work.
So guys, there are so many courses here. If you're interested, I advise you pick it up and apply. Stop playing. Stop watching YouTube videos every day. It's time for you to act, okay. Let me go and check that journalism video, okay. Let me see. It's time to act, guys. Stop playing. They have different courses here. Yours for you to pick any of your choice and start applying, okay. Electrochemical, what? This means another different course entirely. Electronics engineering, since electronics engineering, okay. Now health, blah blah blah. Let's see. Okay, different ones. Just pick the one that you know you can apply, and then you apply for it. Okay, so they have so many courses, as you can see over here. They also have wedding engineering technician. Okay, let's see. And the good part of it is that if you are a male and if you are a female, you can also do it. It's not limited to only male alone, or it's not limited to only female alone. You can do it. If you are a man, if you are a woman, anybody can do the tax. Okay, that is the good part of it. This one, let's see. So guys, I'll be leaving the link of this website in the description box below. Please do wait to check it out and apply. Okay, see you in my next